Well, this is also a personal ride. One of the guys bought one of these last year, brand new. It's a 2024 Segway UT10 Crew. I mean, it's brand new. Never been in the rain. Never been outside overnight. Always stored inside. Never been off-road. It's brand new. He put 170 miles on it just driving it back and forth to work. He had plans to take it off-road to go have fun. But instead, he never did. So, it's a brand new utility vehicle here. 179 road miles. Touchscreen, all that good stuff. Full doors, windows, they're heavy. He took a bunch of pictures. I don't know if he's got 100, but I don't even think we need to do a walk around. We're kind of just glancing at it right now. There's no chips and scratches on this. With that being said, we're just going to take it down the road. I got to pick up some hoodies that I'm getting ready to add to the website, and I'll have them out here soon. I will let you know when I add those. But I've got some zip up hoodies, Maple Motors style, coming online. I just got to get them organized, categorized. But we're gonna go pick those up. We'll test drive this in the meantime. Check us out, maplemotors.com. This is not what we sell, but today, hey, we got one on the line. We do accept trades. About that time. Let's go for a ride. I mean, simple, straightforward, except for you got a giant iPad in your dash. You turn the key on, hit start button. Look at that. Drifting around in the dirt. Like I said, 179 miles. Four-wheel drive, locking. It's got all the good stuff. It all works. And it's like brand new. Got the whole Segway iPad looking thing in the dash here. It's probably more like Android. Starts up. It's pretty cool though, ain't it? Guess that's sport and economy. Get a little gas mileage. Shifter here on the dash. Still waiting on it. There you go. Sets up to Bluetooth. I think it's probably got maps on it. You can make calls. It's pretty sweet. Let's hit the road and see how this one runs and drives. Like I said, we're going over to the warehouse. We'll pick up some hoodies. Personal use. Kind of look and see what kind of mess I can get in this weekend so I can add those to the website. Lots of people have been asking for hoodies. And I'll keep them affordable. This one here. So your shifter icon's over to the left. And I'm gonna run it in high since we're going down the road. This is actually my first time driving this. Feels pretty simple. It's got the turn signals, headlights. It is street legal. World map here. Just waiting on a little bit of traffic to cruise by. Heavy. Technically, I can take the back way. I'm not gonna do it. It hasn't been off-road yet. I don't want to be the guy to tell him, hey man, can't say that no more. would be pretty fun for a video, wouldn't it? I guess I'd own it then. It won't be Jeff's. Here we go. Overbearing, but it's definitely loud. It's got plenty of pep. Still got the new smell to it. To hit these back roads, get out of this traffic, man. Outside shots here, because I mean it thing's brand new. Like I said, there's no need for undercarriage. I mean, I can, might as well, I guess. But it's just brand new. That's the fact. I'll be back. All right, we're just gonna set you up on the mirror here and roll out. actually quite smooth going down the road. It's not like jerking me around or anything. And I'm like half throttle or quarter throttle, and we're going almost 40 miles an hour. I don't know what these things top out at. It may be on that sheet there. I haven't checked it out, but I'll put that sheet in the video. We'll kind of goose her up the hill here. Guys, I'm getting ready to pull into the warehouse. Be sure to stick around. Well, don't stick around because I'm not doing a walk around on this. It's brand new. I guess if you're interested in this, you want to trade on something, just holler at us, 615-822-4444, and we'll get you hooked up with this ride. I'm so used to doing a walk around, but just glancing around this, you pretty much got the whole thing. I'll at least show you that sheet, and I'll get back with you. Pretty sure this is a dump bed. Yeah. Look at that. Let me try to pick it up from the back. Got to get some leverage. I had to let go of the camera. I was trying to do that one-handed. It wasn't happening. It don't get no cleaner than new, right? Winch never used. Got some cool lights. $105 horsepower. Not too bad. It's got 3,000 in upgrades. Lithium battery, that's pretty good. Well, if you're interested, let us know. Like I said, we'll take trades or we'll take 17.9. I do appreciate it. One more glance on the inside since I haven't opened the back door. A lot of compartments back here for the kids, a family ride. A lot of cup holders for the off-road experience. Guys, I'll see y'all in the next video.